Today we are out in Lake Las Vegas. This is a Blue Heron community, Shoreline LV. It's a lakeside community that showcases 3 models ranging from 2,800 square feet to 3,500 square feet homes. 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3 bathrooms. And right now I'm in their biggest model. And I'll show you around the house. This beautiful kitchen with waterfall quartz. Wow. So Blue Heron is one of the luxury homes that are in Las Vegas, founded by family in Las Vegas. I think it's like a father and son company, and they build top tier luxury homes. Look at this wine cooler. That's super cool. Let me see. Wow. Look at this. Temperature controlled. This looks like wood. Amazing. You have your river rocks, painted river rocks. Beautiful, beautiful. You have your elevator. And look at this. You can control all the musics throughout the house with the button. Cool, right? Super high tech. All right, so we are looking at bathroom downstairs, and look. Yeah, how cool is that? So you have your sensor toilet on the first floor with guest. Kitchen, this is just gorgeous, honestly. Like one of the best designed island I've seen. And I've been to a lot of Blue Heron properties throughout Las Vegas, Prado, Escaya, but this is just amazing. So serene. All right, we're gonna go upstairs. Beautiful wood stairs. You have lots of windows for natural lights. I love natural lighting. So this is the elevator entrance or exit for the second floor, and it leads you into the laundry. You have the stackable, think QLG, which I love. I actually have those are amazing. Have a little sink for the laundry, and then next to it you have one of the bedrooms. You can actually see these models building up there, so that could be yours. The lots start from 1 million and up, and they do have lot premiums depending on the location of your home. So this looks like it could be a closet space, like a small walk-in closet for one of the bedrooms, and another bedroom next to it. It's very spacious. All right, and same thing. You have your walk-in closet. You can probably turn this room into like a small media gaming room if you don't mind not having windows, but that's not for me. And beautiful bathroom. Look at this floating vanity with the undermount lights. Wow, those are some beautiful tracks. Yeah, the builder uses top quality materials, obviously. And attention to detail is amazing. Look at this, even this towel rack. Like, how cool is this? It matches. Okay, I don't know. Oh, wow. So water pressure, no issue. All right, so we're gonna pretend that didn't happen and continue with the tour. So back to the hallway. You go upstairs this way. We'll just go up in a second. And into the master bedroom. Holy smokes. You have your fireplace. 3-panel sliding doors that goes right out to Lake Las Vegas. That's right. We have water in Las Vegas. This is literally just 10 minutes away from my place, Cadence. And this is a great area. Look at that. They're just enjoying their weekend, just golfing around, enjoying this water. Weather is perfect. No wind, no cloud. It's beautiful out here. So yeah, you guys didn't know this could be Vegas, huh? So this is like the start of Lake Mead. That's Westin Hotel that way, and then that might be Hilton. So you have your resorts here, restaurants that way for downtown like Las Vegas. They do a lot of activities, water sports. Beautiful and super quiet and serene. So it's just overall like really nice community to be in if you want to be away from the city. And we're gonna go into master bathroom. Oh my god. Honestly, I don't know how I feel about this. Because let's say you have guests upstairs and they're coming down. I'm pretty sure you're gonna add blinds or something to cover up the window because yeah, this is your shower. Oh, and you have control panels here. I don't know what these do. Okay. Preset. So this could be for music, lights. I don't know. So beautiful, his and hers. I'm gonna zoom out to give you a better look. It's a very spacious bathroom area. This, you'll get ready here, and then you have your separated toilet along with closet space. This could be your shoes, right? Because you have a full walk-in closet. Oh my god, with dedicated island. I can just live here. This is just such a vibe. This is amazing. Yeah, this is like a bedroom. What is this? Okay. That's not fun. But yeah, look at this. His and her walk-in closet. We're gonna go back out. But look at this view. Ugh. This is a money shot right here.
Into the Nexus communities through the use of our own architecture staff on site.
And we're gonna go back up. To the 3rd floor rooftop, which is entertaining area. So bathroom for this floor. It's full shower and open space for entertainment, lounging, partying, bartending, however you want to use this space for. This is your electrical server room. Because it's a smart house, you do need a dedicated server room. My husband has one of these in his office, so he would go bonkers for these. Me, on the other hand, I'm not a techie person, so I wouldn't appreciate those as much. And the top floor rooftop view of Lake Las Vegas, and your future neighbors enjoying their golf day. Beautiful out. Have your outdoor fire pit. Just imagine lounging out here at night or anytime during the day. Like, I would not leave my house. All right. So this is Blue Heron. Shoreline LV. These are 3-story homes. The base lot price starts at $1 million. So, I mean, I'm from California, so this under $2 million is just unbelievably cheap, I can say, or affordable, or it's worth your money. Let's put it that way. This is what $2 million gets you in, like, Las Vegas, guys. All right. So as always, thanks for sticking around. Comment, like, subscribe, you know, the whole shebang. And if you have any questions, I'm your girl. So see you on the next house tour. Thank you.